Hello beautiful people, in today's video you will learn how to participate in Byepix ICO, and this will help you so you can be early investors and make sure you have the coin before it can 20x.
Participate in Byepix ICO. You need to open their website and click on Join Byepix ICO Sale. Then you would be referred to ICO registration. So to create an account, enter your username, enter your email address, enter password. Select your country. Enter phone number. Select your gender. Enter date of birth. And then make sure to click on ICO terms. And click on sign up. After sign up, connect your Web 3.0 wallet with Byepix ICO dashboard. So click on Add Wallet MetaMask. And then approve this connection by clicking on Connect. MetaMask wallet is successfully added. Before sign in, make sure that you are on Binance Smart Chain Network. If not, then you can add by clicking here. After all this, click on Buy Tokens. Now you have three options to buy Byepix token with different vesting period of 30, 90, and 180 days, and obviously prices will be different for all vesting time. You can also calculate the number of tokens you will get on your investment. So finally, to buy their token, click on Byepix, and then enter the amount you want to buy, and then click on Pay with MetaMask, and confirm this transaction from your MetaMask account. That's all the procedure to participate in ICO. You can verify this transaction in wallet option. And now wait for token listing, and then real magic will happen.